No, listen, I would have appreciated it if you put things together and let me know on time. Sure, now, yeah. Yes, man, sure. On the most serious note, the way I wanted this thing is that you let me know, then I will get back to you everything I have on ground, and I'll let you.
Hello, handsome.
Hold on, I'll call you back. Hello, pretty.
I am here now.
Wow. Here now what? Here now to do what?
You gave me your number the other day at the club.
So what?
You said you like me and you...
Are you okay? Are you cool in your head? Brother, sorry. One girl, you're badging to me. I said I gave her a number. I gave many girls number, brother. Anyway, as I was saying, the only way I can have an
Where do you think you're going to? Give me my shoes! Give me my shoes!
Calm down now.
Give me my shoes. Remove them.
Wait now, wait now. I'll give you when I come back. Let me just finish this date.
What are you talking about? Give me my shoes! Ah!
Calm down now. Okay, I'll give you some money when I come back.
Sure. You are very sure.
I'm sure.
Okay.
Just the proposal, make your life to be sweet, na packaging, everything is packaging. Nobody wants a hand to follow, pimp yourself to be sharp, na packaging, everything is packaging. Just the proposal, make your life to be sweet, na packaging, everything is packaging. Nobody wants a hand to follow, pimp yourself to be sharp.
Stop!
Na packaging.
Madam, where are you going?
Deputy Governor's quarters.
Okay, give me 1.5.
Huh? 1.5?
Yes.
Am I going to Lagos?
Okay, pay 1,000.
Bros, I beg you, forget this packaging. As you see me, so I broke die. Huh? Okay, might give you 500.
Madam, this is an AC motor. No be this small, no be all this baba. An AC motor.
AC? Who help? I better offer. I don't need that.
No the AC.
I don't need that.
No need them. Enter, move.
Thank you.
Nobody wants a hand to follow, pimp yourself to be sharp, na packaging, everything is packaging. Just the proposal, make your life to be sweet, na packaging, everything is packaging. Nobody wants a hand to follow, pimp yourself to be sharp, na packaging, everything is packaging. Just the proposal, make your life to be sweet, na packaging, everything is packaging. Nobody wants a hand to follow, pimp yourself to be sharp, na packaging, everything is packaging. Just the proposal, make your life to be sweet, na packaging, everything is packaging. Nobody wants a hand to follow, pimp yourself to be sharp, na packaging, everything is packaging.
Where's this money? Where's the money?
What's with that? You don't see the money again?
What's the money again?
Can you give my money and go time?
Boss, I want to pee.
You want to wait?
Pee.
Not be only Peter. You know one Paul? Enter inside here, toilet inside here, go pee inside.
No one pee. Shit. I want shit.
You know to hear something? You want shit, you want pee. What did they use toilet do? Maybe the two of them. All of the above, what did they use the toilet do? Enter here, shit or pee, like convertible. Toilet there. a witch. I need blood. Blood. Interesting. Interesting. You need blood. Or blood bank. Hello, my Jango Balanike. Olukwe no Lue. Ofuku. Scatter this girl. Spill her blood. Here.
Wait now.
Huh? You not be witch again?
I no be witch. How fine girl like me go be witch?
She don't repent. She not be witch. You not be witch again. You see you.
Yeah.
Olukwe no Lue. Scatter her blood. Now or pro now.
Boss, calm down now. Calm down. Play the play. Let's know they follow you play again.
I'll give my money. Now. Which?
Not 200 I get it.
You get what?
200.
You get 200.
Yeah, I just take this 200.
This girl no play time when she's small. You know play, Abi? So if you say here in a field, and I'm not just wasted them, where would they play for Enugu? Eh? You see, you must bring the money. Now or pro now. Give me my money.
Okay, boss, wait. I will be your conductor.
See, you smoke for dream. Eh? You smoke for dream. So, can you not get conductor for your eye? Eh? Enter this motor. Enter!
Your brother, your sister!
Which sister? Sister's fellowship, SFI. I need blood! You need a bamboo. Calm down. Calm down.
Hey! Oh God, where are you taking me to? Hey, I beg now. Just take this 100, let me go. I am your sister.
You be who? Hello?
Huh?
Baba? Bawoni. See, you get one girl I bring for the sacrifice when we talk. Eh? If you see this one, you go like him. She fresh, well. If you see labs, vegetation full am. Yes, you go like him. No. Okay.
Hey, okay. I beg, don't kill me. Just take this 100, make I go.
Take waiting. Take waiting.
Beg.
Eh? I need that one way. Need that one way.
I beg, don't kill me.
But you don't say the lie.
Yes, I'm a liar. I'm a liar.
Liest. I run. Run!
She say her name no be Ngozi, na Cynthia. She know they live for Jagule, na for America. She know they buy Okrika, na for shop. She's posing to be tough.
Hey, God, thank you for saving me. Hey, I almost put myself in trouble by myself.
She know they buy Okrika, na for shop. She's posing to be tough, na packaging.
Welcome, sir.
Barman! Get me red wine.
Which one?
Anyone. Original wine.
Hello? Yes. Yes. I am in your city. Of course, I will.
Chief.
Please. I will call you back. I will call you back. Good afternoon. How may I help you?
Sir, I heard you are in town, so I decided to come and ask for your favor.
Have we met before?
Yes, sir. I used to sell roasted plantain close to your workshop those days. I was coming to your workshop to ask you if you need plantain today.
I'm even going to your shed to see if I can eat plantain without fish.
Hey, fish again, Oga Silas. Without fish again today?
Yeah.
Well, don't worry, I will add fish free for you today.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
It's okay, it's okay. But Oga Silas, wait. I heard they are doing a raffle draw at that junction.
That junction?
Why not go and try your luck?
With which money? I don't have money on me.
You don't have anything in you?
I don't have.
You know what? Follow me down to my shop. Let me see if I can raise some money for you so that you go and play it. Okay?
Hey, thank you. Thank you.
It's okay, it's okay. Let's go.
Oh, my Mefe will hear this. Hey! I have won it. Hey! 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 My Mefe must hear this. I have won. Hey! Hey! My Mefe! My Mefe! My Mefe! My Mefe! Come. I have won it, my Mefe.
Okay, Silence.
Hey!
How did it go?
You can't believe it, my Mefe. I won $100,000.
Hey! I thank God for you. Hey!
My Mefe, I cannot thank you enough.
Okay, Silence. You know, say no me they do. Now God, oh, now they do. Now God they do. You can go and buy baby things for your wife.
Yeah.
You're happy now. I can see it all over you. Look at this man. Hey! God, I thank you. Hey!
Amefe, is this actually you? What happened? Please, stand up, stand up. Stand up and sit down here. Sit down here, sit down, sit down. Please sit down, sit down. Tell me what you want, and I will do it right now.
Sir, my kids, they were sent out of school. You know, since my husband died, it has been difficult for me. So that's why I'm here. If I can get help from you.
I am sorry for the death of your husband. How much is it?
It's 35,000 naira, sir.
35,000 naira?
Yes, sir.
That is chicken change. Just hold on. Here is 300,000 naira. Send your children back to school and take care of yourself.
Thank you very much, sir. God bless you, sir.
You don't need to thank me. Madam, you were such a good woman. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. God bless you. Sir, please let me be on my way now. Thank you, sir.
I'm sorry. In case you need my help, just get across to me.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Excuse me, madam. Yes, sorry, please. Do you know the man inside? Yes, I know him. He was my neighbor before. Then God blessed him with sudden wealth. He gives money to people like water. I'm so happy for him. He is so kind. Okay, my dear. Bye-bye. Take care. He gives money like water.
Hello, Darlington. I called you earlier to tell you I'm in town. Yes, you can come around. Hey! So it's true. Hey! So it's true you are here. Sam. Silas! What happened? Why are you looking like this? What is the problem? Please sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
It's a long story. I can't say everything right now. But as we speak, my wife is in the hospital. She gave birth to triplets and it was through cesarean section. The doctor is demanding for 350,000 naira. And as we speak, so I don't have one time. Not even a kobo.
Is that all?
That is all.
It's okay. I will help you. Yes. Do you still remember when I was suffering? When my landlord threw me out of the compound? You came to my aid.
Okay, please. I will pay. You know, my wife is in the hospital. I am trying to make sure that she comes out of the hospital. Please.
How is that supposed to be my business? How? My father
has given me an instruction that I must not allow you enter this compound without paying the money. Listen to me, sir. If you don't get out here now, I will make sure I call the police to arrest you, because that is the instruction he gave to me.
Please, I will pay next week. I will pay.
Your next week does not finish.
Silence. What is going on here?
Sam, I am in big trouble. They've asked me not to enter into the compound because I am ONNY.
Listen to me. Talk to your friend. Talk to him. Because next time it is not going to be this funny. Tell him to go and get the money, or else I will make sure I arrest him and put him in the police. In fact, you are not entering this compound until you bring that money. I am going to make sure I carry these things to the local government, your properties. I will carry it to the local government where you come there to settle the court.
It hasn't come to that. Okay, how much is the money?
18,000 naira.
18,000.
Yes.
You know what? Just come with me. I'll give you 18,000 naira. Just let him go in, okay? Let him stay.
That is not possible. The instruction says he will not enter this compound unless he pays. He has my father's account number. Let him pay there, and my father will call me to confirm before he enters.
Don't worry about that. Don't just worry. I'll give you the money, alright? Come with me.
It's better he's going with you and I will follow him behind, because I cannot be following you and he will just run into this compound.
Oh, calm down, calm down. I am assuring you that I'll give you the money.
My father gave me an instruction.
Just come with me. Both of you. I'll give you your money.
How about the transport? Am I going to work there?
I'll give you your transport. Yes.
Keep moving now. You want me to start moving so that you come and enter?
Oh, you are such a good man. Just hold on. You can have this.
500,000 naira.
It's nothing.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I can never forget this. God will bless you.
You just have to go and take care of your wife, hospital bill, and take good care of your children.
You need to help me. You have to help me. If you don't help me, I will die. This suffering is too much. Please.
Calm down. Calm down and talk to me. What is it?
Okay. Chief, my sisters, my brother is very, very sick. He has been convulsing since yesterday. And I don't even have money to take him to the hospital.
Is that all?
Yes, Chief.
Don't worry. It's okay. You can have this.
Chief, thank you very much. God will bless you. Your pocket will never run dry, Chief. Thank you very much.
Go and take care of your siblings.
Thank you.
Well.
I need to think of what to do so I can get my share. What should I do? Hey, honey, think. What should I do?
Hello? Yes. Please, I need enough land
to build a massive school for the poor and needy.
Please, you have to help me. I came for an interview and I was robbed. They took all my money and now I am stranded. Please help me.
Really?
Madam, why did you spoil my shop?
My dad, please, make up.
Yeah! Let's see!
Madam, now movie set, please.
Movie set.
Yes.
So, all the check we dey give na joke.
Madam, life is sweet in the movie. Make up!
What kind of unlucky day is this?
Excuse me, madam. Where are you going to? You've not paid for the drinks.
Am I running?
But you're leaving with your bag.
I said I am not running.
Madam, you have to pay for the drink to avoid embarrassment.
Ross, relax. My boyfriend is coming. He will pay.
Fine, then you have to go back inside and sit.
Huh?
I said you have to go back inside and sit.
Sorry, please. Can I use your toilet?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. Which way?
Which way? But you've used it before. Fine, that way.
Thank you.
Sorry, excuse me. I have to go to the bank.
Huh?
Yes. Come inside and take it.
Hello, Jay. Where are you? I've been waiting for you for the past 2 hours. Are you on your way already? Okay, please be fast. Jay, where are you? Okay.
Hey, what's up? I wasn't talking to you. I thought you found my house here.
Hi, sir.
Please get me a bottle of beer. Very chilled one.
Which one, sir?
You know my brand.
It's okay, sir.
What is she doing here looking all scared?
Okay. This one.
Yes.
This lady came here and took one bottle of my red wine. And she has refused to pay me. In fact, she has been looking for a way to escape from this place without paying me my money. Sir, please, is that fair?
It's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair. Hey, you. How much do you have?
I don't have any money.
Yeah, you don't have any money. Bama, you should lock her up. Huh? Lock her up, please, alright.
Yeah, hello, baby. Wow. Sorry for keeping you waiting.
It's alright.
So what do I take? Barman, a quart bottle of Heineken.
Alright, sir.
You're looking good as usual.
Thank you.
I miss you so much. Ooh. Wow. Yeah, that is what I'm talking about. So, ooh. Just as I want it.
Should I open?
Yeah, please do. Oh, very cold. Just as I want it. Oh, Loof is gushing out. Wow. Want some? Come on. So chilled. Want some for me? Come on. So cold. You know, Heineken is the drink for real men. After a long day, you go for Heineken. Wow! I love it. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. Oh, cheers. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Yeah, that is what's up.
Where is my money? Where is the 200 naira I kept here? Annie!
I have messed up. Why would I be doing shakara to this beautiful girl? Hey, where was I doing shakara? I really messed up. I just messed up.
Wow! Oh, darling, I have to go now.
You're going now?
Yeah, mom is sick in the hospital. I need to be there, okay? How's it weekend, right?
Okay.
Yeah?
My money.
Oh, come on, my friend here will pay you, okay?
Your friend?
You better go and collect your money. I did not ask you to give him any drink.
Auntie, I beg you. Please. I don't want to embarrass you here. I don't want to embarrass you here.
Don't shout me. See, I'll go down the street and use it here.
You must pay something.
Wait. Boss, I have just 200 naira.
You have just 200 naira? 200 naira? Is it for the red wine or or the 2 bottles of Heineken your friend took. Madam, listen, before you step out of this place, you must drop something that worth 1 bottle of red wine and 2 bottles of Heineken your friend took. Or you will drop your bag, your shoes, your wristwatch, your earrings, in fact, your bangle, your head before you leave this place.
Wait now. Calm down.
Try this next time and you will see what will happen to you.
Wait. Are you a packaging babe?
This can happen to anyone.
It can happen to anyone. Alright. The bangle. Give me the bangle. The bangle. Stop it! Okay, this lady is a thief. She's a crook.
What did she steal from you?
She took 1 bottle of red wine and 2 bottles of Heineken.
That has not answered my question. What did she steal?
She has refused to pay me.
And that is why you call her a thief? And still trying to pull her jewelries from her?
Gossip, if I don't do that, the manager will deduct the money from my salary. How much is my salary?
How much is her bill?
Sir? Excuse me, sir. Sir, 4,550 naira.
4,550 naira. This is 5,000 naira.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Take your Don't jump me.
Pick that wristwatch from the gun and give it to her.
Let me get you.
I said pick the wristwatch and give it to her. Apologize to her.
Augustine, let me get you your ballot.
I said apologize to her right away.
I'm sorry.
And next time you learn how to treat a woman right.
God bless you, sir.
You're welcome. Next time, don't do a thing like this.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. It's always a pleasure. And where are you going to?
Limca Road.
Limca Road. Limca Road. It's alright. Hop in. Let me drop you off.
Thank you.
You're welcome, man.
Nobody wants a hand to follow. Pimp yourself to be sharp. Now packaging, everything is packaging. Just the photo to pose. Make your line to be sweet. Now packaging, everything is packaging. Nobody wants a hand to follow. Pimp yourself to be sharp. Now packaging, everything is packaging. Just the photo to pose. Make your line to be sweet. Now packaging, everything is packaging. Nobody wants a hand to follow. Pimp yourself to be sharp. Now packaging, everything is packaging. Just the photo to pose. Make your line to be sweet.
I'll find time to come pay you a visit someday.
Alright. I want to thank you for saving me from embarrassment.
You're welcome, but that was very expensive. Don't do that next time.
I'm not.
Good.
My name is Annie.
Oh, forgive my manners. I'm Austin.
You're such a kind guy, Austin.
It's a pleasure.
What?
You're beautiful.
You're handsome too.
Oh, thank you.
Do you mind if I give you a call later?
Ah, without pleasure. Come on. You don't even need to ask now. Alright, 080 32 11 6240. Okay. Let me flash you. Think.
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Thank you.
It's a pleasure.
I'll give you a call later.
Oh, I'll be standing by to receive your call.
Alright.
Bye.
Thank you very much.
Alright. Come on.
Where have you built my cars this morning? Is this how you run your car wash business?
Oga, no vex. My father was sick. I went to see him.
Your father was sick. Now, where is the money I gave to you to buy oil? The money for the oil, give it to me.
Oga, something happened.
Can someone tell me what is going on here?
Just keep your mouth shut. Now, give me my car key. The women around. Go punish you. Don't see I'm putting my money.
Who are you? I am talking to you. Who are you? Unlucky day is this? Worker! You work in a car wash! Worker! You work in a car wash! Worker!
Man, this guy is spoiling my package. See my jebo certificate. Anyhow, Sha, another day.
My village people remembered me today.
They have not started dealing with you yet.
How do you mean?
You better start packing. We have just an hour to be here.
What happened?
Don't just pretend as if you don't know. The landlord came.
Hey! See, what do we do now?
Pack, of course. Start packing.
Pack. Where are we going to? Where do we go to?
What we should do is that I am going to my village and I suggest you do so. My shoe. Don't waste time. I'll give you my shoe. Take. Shebi, you're a big girl. You can pay for the house. What do you wait now? Let's listen.
She say her name will no be Ngozi, na Cynthia. She know they live for Jagule, na for America. She know they buy Okrika, na for shop. She's posing to be dog, na packaging. Everything is packaging. She say her name will no be Ngozi, na Cynthia.
What? Where do I even go from here, eh? Should I go back to the village? Go for grace. I can't go from grace to grass. What will I do now? I think I know what to do. I'm going on another level of packaging.
Just the photo to pose, oh. Make your line to be sweet, oh. Now packaging, everything is packaging. Nobody wants a hand to follow. Pimp yourself to be sharp.
Can I talk to you?
You're talking to me already.
Okay. My name is Obi. My friends call me Biggie.
Biggie?
Yeah, Biggie.
You look good, but you don't look big.
It's my nature. Yeah. So, what's your name?
My name is Annie.
Wow. Annie. Beautiful name for a beautiful lady.
Oh, please. Don't start washing.
No, I don't wash in a dry cleaning shop. I don't wash people. You know. So, what are you up to?
Actually, I attended a seminar last night, and this morning I missed my flight to Abuja, so I'm just looking for a comfortable hotel to rest.
You stay in Abuja?
Yeah, I just relocated last week from England.
Wow.
Of course, are you surprised?
No, I'm not surprised at all. I live in England too. Birmingham, precisely. Do you know Birmingham?
Oh, yes, Bambi.
No, I mean Birmingham.
Oh, Bahamas in England. I know the place.
No, Bahamas is not in England. I mean Birmingham City. Do you know that place?
Oh, Birmingham. Oh, it's very close to my house. I know the place.
For real?
Yeah.
Close to your house?
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice. Okay, you look beautiful. Yeah, such a beautiful girl. Yeah, you look very beautiful.
I think I don't know what you want. The next thing you see, you'd like me and you want to take me home.
You're very sharp. You're such a sharp girl. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm so shy right now. Okay.
Thank you.
So, what do you want?
What do you have?
What do you have?
We have meat pie, we have burger, we have hot dog.
Hot dog?
Yeah, hot dog.
Get me hot dog with plenty pepper.
Hot dog with plenty pepper?
Yes, hot dog. And please, make sure you don't put the bone.
Yeah, hot dog.
So, tell me about yourself.
Okay, I'm an entrepreneur.
Oh, I have a cousin who works there too. You guys make a lot of money.
Yeah, sure. Sure. Okay. Thank you. So, babe, this is a hot dog?
What is this?
Oh.
dog meat I asked for?
But madam...
Are you deaf? Don't you ever call me madam.
Hey, you're shouting.
But why would she bring me donuts instead of the dog meat I asked?
But we don't say dog meat here.
This is called hot dog. It's not a dog meat. Don't you eat this in England?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't even look at it properly. But I don't think I want this. Get me something yummy or chummy.
Salad?
Hell no.
No, not salad. Get her shawarma.
What?
Yeah, you like it?
Oh, please. I don't take such cheap alcohol. Especially the ones that package here at Aba.
Shawarma is not an alcohol. It's a snack.
Not thinking, sorry. I thought you said Sahara. Sorry.
Oh. Shawarma, please. Thank you. Are you alright?
Sure, I'm alright. Just that this knife is not sharp.
Okay. I could ask them to change it.
Oh, no, don't worry. I'll manage it. I have my way with knife and fork.
Alright. It's called cutleries. You know, when you eat, you don't make so much noise on the plate, okay?
Waiter! Do you have apple?
Yes, madam.
Apple?
Yes. A-K-P-U. Apple. Please, get me one full plate, eh? I've been eating this in England. I think I'm tired of it.
Babe, are you sure you want to do this?
Sure. Don't worry. I have my way with fufu.
You've not washed your hand.
I'll wash later.
Eh? Extra.
Yes, extra.
Can we go now?
Okay.
What are you doing with all those things?
Babe, relax. I have my way with these things.
Are you okay?
Sure.
You're happy, right?
What's the problem?
I don't know. I think it's an electrical problem. Oh my God, what is this? Baby, you know what? Can you come down and help me push the car?
How do you expect me to push this car alone?
Baby, but you can. You just finished eating 2 plates of fufu in there.
Excuse me.
I believe you have the strength, so you can.
Are you trying to call me a Jekpako or a fufu eater?
Oh, come on. How can I? I'm just trying to ask you to help me.
Please, I cannot.
Baby, please, try first now. You can.
How do you expect me to push this car alone just because I ate fufu?
2 plates for that matter.
I cannot.
Please now, try. Oh, just try. Just try and push it a bit. Oh.
I cannot.
Just try, okay? See now, they push automatic. Come on there.
Hey, stop! Stop! Stop my bag! My bag!
Packaging, jam packaging. They come now.
My bag!
Foolish girl. You chop 2 plates of food. Mad girl. You eat rice, eat this one, drink that one, chop everything. You want to come and enjoy my AC. Walker. Come on, enter now. Let's say you get sense. Stupid girl, very local. In England. See England. You even call England Bahama. This girl is so stupid. Mad girl.
Are you this wicked?
Baby, come on. I'm so sorry, but believe me, I was still testing the car.
Testing the car?
Yeah.
Mr. Tester. That's why you keep testing everything. God will judge you.
No, there's no way I could have left you there. I'm so sorry. Okay? But come on, let's go. Hey, come on, let's go to my house. Oh, I'm so sorry. Just hop in, okay? Yeah, hold on. So sorry, okay?
She say her name will no be Ngozi, na Cynthia. She know they live for Jagule, na for America.
Hold on.
She know they buy your quick and na for shop. She's posing to meet up, na packaging. Everything is packaging. She say her name will no be Ngozi, na Cynthia. She know they live for Jagule, na for America. She know they buy your quick and na for shop. She's posing to meet up,
So,
na
baby.
packaging. Everything is packaging. Just a photo to pose, oh. Make your life to be sweet, oh. Na packaging. Everything is packaging. Nobody wants a hand to follow. Pimp yourself to be sharp, oh. Na packaging. Everything is packaging. Just a photo to pose, oh. Make your life to be sweet, oh. Na packaging. Everything is packaging. Nobody wants a hand to
Hey.
yourself to
Yeah,
be sharp.
how are you?
Packaging.
Babe, we're home.
Just a photo to pose, oh. Make your life to be sweet, oh. Na packaging.
Wow, this is my house.
Nobody wants a hand
Yeah.
to follow. Pimp yourself
You like it?
to be sharp, oh. Na packaging. Everything is
You like this place?
just a photo
Huh?
to pose, oh. Make your life to
It's my beautiful abode.
na packaging.
Rico, get the bag from the boat. Yeah. So, can we proceed inside? Come on. You like the place, huh?
Okay. Well, keep the bag.
Keep it on your head. Stupid boy. I'm sorry.
What?
What is your problem? Take the bag inside.
Okay, sir.
Babe, come on. Let's go.
Baby.
Huh?
This place is too small for you. You're a big man.
Come on. You're so fun. That's why I like you. Huh? See, I'm managing here for now. Okay? Very soon, mansion.
Big men stay in big houses.
I know. Very soon you see the mansion you want. Just for me and you. Come on, let's go. Come on. See, baby. What I'm trying to tell you now is, come on. Look away. What are you still doing there?
Nothing, sir.
Come on, take the bag inside.
Okay, sir.
Stupid boy. Oh, babe, come on, let's go inside.
Baby, who is it?
Shh. What? Well done, sir.
So, this is what you have turned my house into, right? I pay you to clean up my compound and even clean my room. Just come into my room and say how messy the place is. All you do is run after things on sketch, right? Every time your body is shaking, you want to.
No, sir. She's a new maid. Huh? I want to bring her from the village.
Who is a maid?
Shh. Sir, the other maid ran away, so I have to go and bring a new one.
Shut up! Now give me my car.
Sir?
I said give me my car key.
Sir, I'm sorry, it's not what you think. Small konji, they own me.
What did you just say?
All this while, I say make her go carry, do some, do small.
Oga.
Hey, what did you say? Give me my car keys.
I'm sorry.
Immediately.
I say make her do small.
Give me now!
Oga, please, can I be your maid?
If you don't leave here now, in the next 2 minutes, I'll call the police and get both of you arrested. Now leave here!
Oga, I beg. It wasn't intentional, Oga.
And you? Leave here now.
Please.
You just ruined my day.
Shut up, I beg. I just lost my job.
And you want to leave a girl of my class stranded?
Did I hear you say class? Do you have a class? You. Packaging meets packaging.
Are you insulting me? No. Are you insulting me? Mind you, I am not a packaging girl.
Look at you. Packaging girl better pass you. Make I tell you. Oh, you think I didn't see your tia pants? I saw it. I saw everything. Your pants, they tia. Yes.
Fool. You don't know anything. It is not done. It is designers.
Design B. Designers pass the tear. You know the tear, but your own tear here, even tear under. Designers, you call it.
So you can speak pidgin?
No, I know they speak pidgin.
You can speak pidgin?
Now bed that they speak.
You not come from England again? Mr. England. Designers.
I saw it with my two naked eyes. I saw it with my eyes. It tore here. Designers know the tear. Go
now.
The package. You don't say I've been number one packaging. If you don't know it.
What kind of unlucky day is this, eh? Everyone I met is worse than I am. For now, no more men with cars.
Don't go. I'm not the one. How did you? Yeah? I'll be picking.
That guy don't catch out today.
I don't be picking now. Sometimes she just behave like saying, okay, I fear even enter my body. I think saying, okay, they talk to me.
And they tell you.
If I don't do like that, how the picture go take left on the hair? But that is all this praise. So you praise me now. You don't mean say you don't go settle us from your salary. Something must come. Very stupid man. Go come out of that cloth. Maybe they talk to you. Come on, we're gonna enter here. Come see you to the cloth. Comport first. Comport first. If I don't have that way, come on, that cloth. Don't come out that cloth. Bada. Down there the road. Down there the road. Oh, give her. Oh man! Go. Shout. Ah! That's the one. The act never please you. Put it down and everything. Go and get me cold water.
You know this part I don't finish. Stand up and give my chair. Sharp.
Okay, go and get me cold. Come on, go and get me. Yes, sir.
Baby, where you going? Come here, let me drop you.
Huh? You are who?
Come on now, baby, you can't stand this crushy sound. Come inside, let me drop you.
How am I even sure you're the owner of this car?
Look, let me drop you. You can't stand this sound. Just come inside, eh?
See, please, just go. I am tired of men with cars.
Come on, bring it back. Bring it back. That's it. Wow. Come on there, come inside. Wow. If you got bright future behind you, you know. This is great. You see, actually, I have plans to love you. And you don't want to give me the chance, you know. See, Annie. I'm going to show you beautiful love that your name will be turned to Anye, not to Anye. Anyway, you smile, I like that smile. Keep on out. Face me, keep
Annie, I thought you were after my wealth because I was surprised a night before you came to the park. You easily accepted my date.
I never knew you were wealthy. I just liked you.
It's okay, no problem. Anyway, I'm sorry for all the embarrassment it might have cost you.
It's okay. So, what do you want?
What I want? I want you to marry me.
What? Do you want to ruin the rest of my day? Yes! Of course I'll marry you!
Good for nothing man. Oh really? You are here proposing to my friend. And your wife almost killed me.
What are you talking about? Baby, don't listen to her.
You know what? To hell with you. And as for you, Annie, if his wife catches you here, you are doomed. Stupid.
You have a wife? No, you have a wife!
Yes, I have a wife. And so what? You are a package girl. We are packaging ourselves. What do you expect? Well,
She say her name will no be Ngozi, na Cynthia. She know they live for Jagule, na for America. She know they buy Okrika, na for shop. She's posing to meet up, na packaging. Everything is packaging. She say her name will no be Ngozi, na Cynthia. shop. She's posing to it up. Na packaging, everything is packaging. Just the photo to pose, oh. Make your line to be sweet, oh. Na packaging, everything is packaging. Nobody wants a hand to follow. Pimp yourself to be sharp, oh. Na packaging, everything is packaging. Just the photo to pose, oh. Make your line to be sweet, oh. Na packaging, everything is packaging. Nobody wants a hand to follow. Pimp yourself to be sharp, oh. Na packaging, everything is packaging. Just the photo to pose, oh. Make your line to be sweet, oh. Na packaging, everything is packaging. Nobody wants a hand to follow. Pimp yourself to be sharp, oh. Na packaging, everything is packaging. Just the photo to pose, oh. Make your line to be sweet, oh. Na packaging.
What's this for? What's this for?
Nah, I'm not good. Udi mo boy.
Pimp yourself to be sharp, oh. Na packaging, everything is packaging.
Sister?
Ha! Okay, mom.
Welcome.
Agaracha must come back. When you were leaving, do you know you would never come back to this house like this? I thought you come back with the aeroplane.
Mama, good evening.
Good evening, Mama. Agaracha must come back.
See, Mama, it's not easy. Life is not easy. Jude, Biko, get me food to eat.
Which food? Which food? If you want to eat, go to the farm. Aka, aja. When you soil your hand with sand, that is when you have oil on your mouth. Go to the farm!
Mama, you still angry with me?
Annabelle, I am very angry with you. Annabelle, you left me and went to the city because you were lazy to help me in the house. So you're at home since morning and you didn't bother to join me in the farm?
Mama, please, can you just let me be? I have told you I can never go to the farm with you. I want to go to university. My mates are in university. I want to go.
You want to go to the university? Well, you don't join me in the farm for us to make money. How do you make up money to go to that university for you?
Let me go to the city and make money. I can take care of myself.
And look at our house. Take a good look at our house. When I have a grown girl like you. You didn't come to the farm. I didn't cook the food I asked you to cook.
Mama, how can I cook? How can I cook? I've made my nails. Now do you want my nails to be dirty?
And you'll be hungry because you don't want your nails to be dirty.
Mama, we can get a maid to do all that. We can get a maid to do the cooking, the farm and all that. Me, I'm tired. I'm tired.
See you. Look at yourself. If you don't change your ways, you will suffer in this life. I'm looking at you. Ogini, what is it? Ogini.
Auntie Philo said I should go back.
Why? Did you offend her? Uba. Is Rory?
Hey, no, Uba.
She said that she has a lot of stomachs to feed. That I should go back to the village to do some farm works.
Philo Nkem, my own Philo, said that to you.
Where is my pant and bra?
Hey! Hey!
Chamabiko, I'll bring it back in the evening.
Annie, give my pant and bra. The last time you borrowed my top, you did not return it. I need my pant and bra now. Annie, give me back my pant and bra.
Hey!
Sister.
Annie!
Chi, take it easy. Oh.
Don't tell me to take it easy.
Shame!
So it has gotten to this level for you.
Hey! Onyoshi! Thief! When you will not walk, you will not sweep, you will not go to the farm. Either you become an armed robber, a thief, and they will burn you alive. Or you prostitute. What else? When you my share. While I sleep. When I thought you went to fetch some water for us. Annabelle!
Mama, as you're seeing me like this, I am going to the city.
City? You're leaving me?
Sister, to the city?
To the city. I'm going to the city.
Sister? Just like that. Ma, what is it? Girl. Ma, it's okay. Come on! Ma!
I was sick for several weeks and you were nowhere to be found. And then you left me. You didn't care about me, your mother. You left me.
Mama, please, I'm sorry. Mama, please, I'm sorry. You have learned my lesson. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
She say her name will no be Ngozi, na Cynthia. She know they live for Jagule, na for America. She know they buy Okweka, na for shop. She's posing to be tough, na packaging. Everything is packaging. She say her name will no be Ngozi, na Cynthia. She know they live for Jagule, na for America. She know they buy Okweka, na for shop. She's posing to be tough, na packaging. Everything is packaging. Just the borrow to pose, oh. Make your line to be sweet, oh. Na packaging. Everything is packaging. Nobody wants a hand to follow. Pimp yourself to be sharp, oh. Na packaging. Everything is packaging. Just the borrow to pose, oh. Make your line to be sweet, oh. Na packaging. Everything is packaging. Nobody wants a hand to follow. Pimp yourself yourself to be sharp, oh. Now packaging, everything is packaging. Just the borrow to pose, oh. Make your life to be sweet, oh. Now packaging, everything is packaging. Nobody wants a hand to follow. Pimp yourself to be sharp, oh. Now packaging, everything is packaging. Just the borrow to pose, oh. Make your life to be sweet, oh. Now packaging, everything is packaging. Nobody wants a hand to follow. Pimp yourself to be sharp, oh.